Luxury streetwear blanks that promise to elevate your brand. Are they actually worth the hype? Today we're diving into René Bassett's collection to see if it can stand up to industry heavyweights like Represent and Fear of God. Let's get it. What's up everyone, it's Fuller Mo, the founder of GFX World. In this video, we're going to be reviewing René Bassett, a premium streetwear blanks provider from Portugal. Now they've said their mission is to empower small brands through high quality materials, but do they actually live up to their reputation? We're going to find out. So as someone who's designed and curated merch for really huge artists, as well as having a deep appreciation for luxury streetwear, I'm definitely interested in seeing if René Bassett is going to meet my standards. So at the time of this recording, René Bassett is primarily offering hoodies and t-shirts, but they'll be expanding into sweatpants, crew necks, shorts, etc. very soon. Now, if you've watched my videos, you may have noticed me wearing a Represent hoodie now and then. I really love that brand, and they're largely produced in Portugal, which is where René Bassett is from. You can go back centuries and you'll find that Portugal has a rich history in textiles. They're known for premium craftsmanship and premium materials. So it shouldn't be surprising that a lot of clothing brands, particularly in the luxury streetwear space, are beginning to source their garments from Portugal. René Bassett's current collection has a lot of different colors and customization options to pick from, but let's get into this package and actually look at the quality and see how it feels. Let's open this up. So we've got a t-shirt and a hoodie. Let's start with the hoodie. So my immediate reaction is it definitely has a heavier, more high quality luxury feel. I think what might be smart is actually grabbing a Represent hoodie because if I'm being honest, this feels very, very similar. One second. In terms of the quality, I'm definitely seeing that these two hoodies are very similar. The weight is also the same. Both are 480 GSM fabric, so relatively heavy, definitely have that luxury feel. Now, Represent hoodies are usually priced at $200 or more, so if you wanted to go there in pricing and use René Bassett as your wholesale blank, I think you could justify that type of price. Now, if you really want to get into the details on both of these, the René Bassett hoodie is French terry, whereas the Represent hoodie is heavyweight jersey cotton. Both of those options are good, but I could see why Represent would ultimately go with the heavyweight jersey cotton. It is probably more cost effective in the long run versus French terry. The René Bassett hoodie definitely does have a premium feel to it. If I was in a retail store and holding this hoodie up, I would not be surprised if it had, a $200 or $300 price tag on it. But now it's time for the real test. I want to actually throw this thing on. Okay, so the hoodie fits great. I will say that Represent runs more oversized than René Bassett. This feels more true to size. With Represent, I wear a size large hoodie. This is an XL and it fits about the same. So if you are going to grab some of these blanks, just know that they do run more true to size than oversized. Now, I don't know if you're anything like me, but I always have an issue with the cuff of hoodies. A lot of times they're really loose. I don't like when it's flapping in the wind. I love a really nice, crispy, tight cuff. And that's what you're gonna get with this hoodie. Definitely an A on the cuffs. Let's do a basic hood test. The hood is good. Now, I did mention Fear of God at the beginning of this video, but the more I'm wearing this hoodie, the more that feels like apples and oranges. Fear of God is just so much more oversized. They've now gone in the direction of having a much more boxy fit to their hoodies. This is not like that at all. This is just more sort of casual premium luxury. It's not, a super interesting cut or anything like that. And it's much more closer to Represent. So I think I'm just gonna continue to reference them when I compare the two hoodies. So now let's look at this t-shirt. In terms of what I'm gonna compare it to, I have a few brands in my mind in terms of, wholesale blanks. One of them is Rue Porter. I just have a feeling, both being made in Portugal, both being in that, luxury streetwear space, but there's only one way to find out, so let's crack this open. This is 300 GSM fabric, so again, more on the heavier side. definitely has that premium feel to it. Now obviously customization is key for any brand, and René Bassett does offer printing, embroidery, they can do, custom dyeing, they can do distressing for t-shirts, hoodies, or any other garment they may offer in the future, with a minimum order of only 50 pieces per style and color. So I feel like that level of flexibility is going to be crucial for, especially smaller brands who maybe want to do smaller runs or even limited edition drops. Now let's actually try this on. So overall, the t-shirt fits great, similar to how, the hoodies run true to size and Represent is more oversized. Rue Porter is also more oversized, and this is a more standard fit t-shirt. To me, the more oversized component comes in like on the sleeves. The sleeves are a little bit longer, a little bit looser than your average t-shirt. Again, it's a bit heavier, so that definitely gives it a more premium feel. So yeah, I'm not mad at either of these blanks. The hoodie, I would give a 5 out of 5. The t-shirt, I'd probably give a 4 out of 5. So if you're leaning more towards luxury streetwear with your brand, these are gonna be a really solid option, and here's what you can do to check them out for yourself. First things first, grab some samples from their store, whether that's t-shirts or hoodies, but you can literally just shop on their website, and I've got a link in the description below. Once you get those samples, try them on for yourself, give them a few washes. You could even work with a print shop and do like one-off DTG prints. Just make sure everything's up to your standards before you commit to a wholesale order. When you're ready for wholesale, all you have to do is register your company right on the René Bassett website. It might seem maybe like a hassle or annoying, but it's definitely standard procedure and something that every clothing brand has to do. I've got everything linked in the description below. So here's my final verdict. As far as luxury streetwear blanks go, René Bassett does live up to the hype. It's high quality, it's diverse in what they offer and their level of customization. If you like the brand Represent, at least on the hoodies, definitely comparable. So if you're just starting off or even trying to upgrade your current brand to a more premium, luxury look and feel, definitely would recommend René Bassett. You can always find more details on their website. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Are you a designer with big ideas but struggle to bring them to life? Whether you're just starting off or a seasoned pro, hitting creative walls can be frustrating. What if I told you there's a way to break through and create next level designs that really sell? Introducing the Master Bundle, the ultimate resource for designers, clothing brand owners, and creatives. With over 1,600 expertly crafted design tools and presets created by industry pros, the GFX World Master Bundle has everything you need to succeed. These are the same design tools used by brands like Market, The Hundreds, and Hellstar, as well as iconic artists like 21 Savage, Eminem, Nirvana, Wu-Tang Clan, and many others. But don't take my word for it. With over 2,500 4- and 5-star reviews, here's what customers had to say. The Master Bundle also includes exclusive access to our GFX World Premium community. Connect directly with me, Fuller Mo, and other industry pros. Get your questions answered, receive direct feedback, and grow with a supportive community of like-minded creatives. For a limited time only, you'll also get my Bootleg Blueprint course, a comprehensive 4-hour video series where I break down my exact strategies and design techniques used to create for iconic artists. Improving your graphics is the name of the game. So let's go over this. You get the Master Bundle with over 1,600 expertly crafted design tools and presets, GFX World Premium membership. You'll also get my 4-hour video course where I spill the secrets on how to design like a pro. It won't last long, but right now you can lock in an exclusive deal, so hit the link below and I'll see you inside.